Since 1943, DFT has been a world-class manufacturer of non-slam axial flow check valves. Here we see a comparison between the DFT PDC valve, a pulse dampening check valve, and a piston check valve installed on the discharge end of a reciprocating compressor. The PDC features a one-piece body, while the piston check valve has multiple pressure-retaining components. As each valve opens, the PDC maintains smooth, controlled movement due to the pulse dampening chamber, whereas the piston check valve struggles with instability and turbulent movement due to pressure pulsations, often leading to a shorter service life. One additional advantage is the PDC's straight-through flow path that leads to a lower pressure drop compared to the piston check valve's more tortuous design. As a result, the PDC allows for smoother, more efficient flow, while the piston check valve results in greater resistance and turbulence. When the compressor turns off, the PDC delivers a soft landing, while the piston check valve slams shut. View our other PDC videos on YouTube or contact DFT today to learn more about our complete line of check valves. DFT, delivering reliable performance for over 80 years.